Kel again, and we are back in the kitchen. And today, I really don't know what to say. It's a little bit of an interesting time for us all here around the world as we all are faced with the coronavirus. So I'm probably like most of you at home with our kids and our families during this time, and we're just all trying to make sense out of this. So thought today I'd bring you a simple snack dish. It's my hummus dish, and it has basically all of the ingredients you could probably find that are non-perishable, and something quick and easy you can make. You can eat this with any vegetables you have left in the fridge, or even with some pretzels or pita chips. So if you're looking for a distraction, kind of like I am, and want to see how to put together a quick and simple snack for you and your family, stick with me and I'll walk you through here in just a minute.
For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cans of garbanzo beans, a jar of tahini, 1 lemon, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, salt and olive oil, and of course your food processor. So to get started, you're going to shuck your beans. Is shuck a term only found in the South? Please leave me a comment below and let me know. Some of my favorite memories growing up is shucking beans with my grandma. If you don't know what shucking means, beans have a casing to them and you need to take it off before you cook them. So that's going to be like things like peas, garbanzo beans. They have a film on them. So we're going to shuck that film away, and it's going to help the end product of our hummus be the smoothest possible. So you're going to go ahead and pinch off the film that is on the garbanzo beans, and you need to do this to each one. I do it to each one. You don't have to, but to ensure you have the smoothest hummus possible, I recommend shucking your beans. So grab a seat on the couch and get to shucking. After your beans are ready, add about a tablespoon of tahini to your food processor. Tahini is basically ground sesame seeds. There's nothing to be scared of here, guys. It's delicious, and it's going to really bring your hummus together. So make sure you stir up your tahini. The oil bubbles up to the top, kind of like peanut butter, so you want to stir it well. And then you're going to add the tahini and the juice of a lemon to your mixture here in the food processor. So you're going to pulse this mixture for about 1 minute until the tahini is getting kind of a little bit of a chunky consistency. To the tahini and the lemon juice, we're then going to add about a teaspoon of cumin, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to pulse this mixture again for another minute. So my camera wasn't recording on this final part, so you get my lovely voiceover here and a photo of the final hummus. So where we left off, you're going to then add the beans and a few tablespoons of water, and then you're going to pulse it until your mixture is smooth. Feel free to add a little bit more water if you need to, just to ensure that your consistency is smooth. And once you've reached the consistency you like, you're done.
Well, that is our hummus recipe, and I love recipes that allow you to throw everything into one contraption and the contraption does it for you. In this case, it was our food processor. So if you give this dish a try, please don't forget to tag me on your photo or your video. And if you want to continue seeing more videos like this from me, don't forget to like and subscribe. And all I can say, guys, is you take care, stay safe out there, and let's do what we can to help keep those in our community that are most vulnerable safe. And I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.